What the fudge is up, y'all? It's your girl, Jessica. Y'all, we're back here with another pizza mukbang because for some reason the last pizza mukbang that I did on my channel just hit. So I wasn't really happy with the last pizza because it was like a healthy cauliflower pizza, but you know, I got some slices from Pizza My Heart. I'm really excited. I don't think it's gonna be able to fit like on here, so I'm just gonna take them out. I'm gonna put this in. I'll take them out and stuff like as I go. Make sure I have nothing in my teeth because I took some bites for the Tik Tok, but I want to get some quick. See if I can get stuff is falling off. A thumbnail. Okay, cool. So yeah, I got Hawaiian like combo one that has like extra like garlic on it. It's like their extra garlicky combo. Ooh, they're sliding down because my car is angled right now. Or not, my car is angled, the box is angled. So y'all, we're already 2 minutes in. Before we get started with anything, let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, you know, do all those fun things to keep my channel going. My growth has been phenomenal, y'all. Thank you so much to everyone that has subscribed lately. You guys are helping my dream come true. So I really appreciate it. If you guys ever have any requests on stuff to eat, just let me know. I noticed that like pizza just seems to be a hit for this channel. So if it works, why change it? I got some slices. I really wanted to get some like actual really good thin crust, like New York style pizza, because I know this is, you know, it's like sad. Like I said, I took some bites from my TikTok. I changed all of my socials, so you can go ahead and try. You can go ahead and find me at TheFoodBrat pretty much on everything. Some of them are different because TheFoodBrat's taken on like Instagram and Twitter, but all of my socials will be put in the description box below. So let's get going, let's eat, let's talk. I got some Sprite here. And yeah, let me take a bite of this freaking deluxe. Super garlicky. I love it. I'm gonna throw some cheese on that bitch. Just throw some, you know, for someone that doesn't drink milk, I love cheese. Get some peppers on it. Some cheese. No, there's like fucking gnats or some shit or flies. No, get out of here. Shit. Oh well. More protein. Okay. This is so good. Bomb. Have some Sprite. Oh. Vroom vroom, mofo. Yeah, baby. I guess like there's all the places that. No, I don't know if that's all the places that Pizza My Heart is, but. Ooh, yeah. Pizza, I love you. You're so good. Mmm. Well, pineapple on pizza, it just is. I'm not gonna mention if it's good or bad. It just is. Mmm. I'm so vain. Mmm. So let me know how y'all like the whole I look disgusting when I fucking burp. Beautiful. Look fucking beautiful. Let me know how y'all feel about the Tuesday release dates. This is the first. Got pineapple in my teeth. I'm just gonna have a messy grill. Let me know how you like the Tuesday releases better than the Fridays. Ah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, I had so many ideas of what I was going to talk about, and I was going to write them all down, but I freaking forgot. And I have like all these notebooks, y'all, that I can just be writing stuff down, but I just forget to do it. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Oh, look at these little pepperonis. People are like at their, I'm like in a business center. So good. So my TikTok like has been blowing up because you know, went viral, and I'm not gonna stop it. I am not gonna, like, my plan is to keep going until I have my house and land and a farm. And you know, successful people are always working towards a goal. So even when I have that, I probably will want like other things or like a business or something. So I'm just working towards my first goal, which is this whole food blog that I have. Whoa, sprayed out. I'm also trying to stay active. And, you know, not eat as much like food like this. Like, this is the only thing when I eat with y'all, when y'all eat with me, this is like the only time that I eat like such bad stuff. And it's like, people call them cheat days. I don't know. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, a meatball fell. Crazy. Shit. Koshi mama. Koshi mama. Yeah, some people call them cheat days. I just, you know, they're the days that I'm able to indulge in the things that I usually eat. But like, I guess you just have to understand that like, I went from a diet, and I hate the word diet. Like, I really do. Yeah, on 11 minutes, yo. That was 11 is my lucky number. It's my like life path number, so that was meant to happen. Yeah, like I used to eat like this all day, every day. Like if I could eat Jack in the Box morning, you know, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I totally would. Like that was just something that I indulged in, but it wasn't an indulgence. It was just a part of my life. It was a lifestyle. It was a lifestyle, bro. You don't understand. These are all the crustaceans. Let's take a biggie bite, a biggie bite, biggie bite, a biggie bite, a biggie bite. Okay. No more fooling around, Jess. It's all the flavors combined. How could you not want that? Oh, I'm going camping this weekend, y'all. So, I'll be back from camping the day that I'm supposed to film. I'm gonna film because y'all's priority, and I know that I've missed. I got semi. I know I've missed a few like times that I'm supposed to post on Fridays, but because I'm blowing up and everything's becoming like more consistent, I know I have to become more consistent. So I'm going camping. I'll be back Monday to film. I don't know what I'm gonna eat yet. If you guys want to recommend something in the comments, or go to my Instagram. 13 minutes, yeah. If you want to go to my Instagram, you can DM me there. Instagram is TheFoodBrat, but in food, it's TheFoodBrat, but when you're spelling food, it's zeros instead of O's. So yeah. You can also like go to TheFoodBrat.com. All my links and socials and whatever are there. I'm gonna change up everything in my descriptions, and I'm like slowly getting to like getting everything back on schedule. So keep bearing with me. I should have like all of my like thumbnails and descriptions changed and like everything that needs to be done by next week. There's no reason why I shouldn't. I'm gonna set a goal, but I'm not I'm a human. I'm a perfectionist, but I'm a human, so things happen. But yeah, another big bite. Bomb. Yeah. Yeah, check out my Instagram, and that's where like I post all my stories and stuff. And my TikTok has like me eating big ass bites. Facebook, I don't really update my Facebook and Twitter. I should, but I just don't. It's not something that I've like do. I don't know. I really should be though. There's no excuse. Just set that down. Set it down slowly. Excuse me for all the burps. My bad. My bad. My bad. You know, I really appreciate all y'all for like hanging with me. And I want, like, you know, that's why I say, like, recommend stuff, because without y'all, this channel is impossible. If I have no subscribers, I'm doing this. I'm just doing this because I'm looking at myself on the camera. No, you know, like, if y'all want to see stuff, let me know. I have, like, the people, was it girls burping videos? I'm so sorry, like, I forgot your YouTube wrong. Burping girls, or girls burping, something like that. They've recommended pizza, so crunchy. Let me know in the comments below, do you like crust, or do you guys like just leave it like this? Woo. I love crust. Ooh, look at that bingo arm. Yeah. I'm trying to chug this. Oh, I'm gonna get a brain freeze. A little bit. Brain freeze. Oh, yeah. Almost done. When I finish this, we're gonna wrap it up. Oh my god, I'm getting a brain freeze. Oh. Oh. Ah, brain freeze as fuck. Hoo, hoo, hoo. That is it, y'all. We're done. I need to get my nails done, y'all. I don't know what color I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get them done probably like Thursday or Wednesday. So if like anyone has like a specific color, hit my, you know, hit my Instagram. Like I said, I like to be interactive with all my subs. So, but yeah. I'm going camping this weekend. I hope y'all have a great rest of your week and a great weekend. I'm gonna have a fucking phenomenal weekend because it's gonna be like it's a sober camp out. So my goal is to not bring any cannabis. Oh, there's burps. Not bring any cannabis, and just detox myself. I'll be there Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'll come back Monday, and hopefully I'll come back and I won't have weed in my system. Well, it will always be in my system, but I won't need to smoke weed, and I'll just be able to depend on myself and coping skills and not have to be faded all the time. So, you know, that's my goal. I don't know. I have a lot of like little mini goals. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap this up because y'all know I love to chitty chat. And if I have stuff in my teeth, my bad. And yeah, I love you, and I hope y'all have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you back here on Tuesday. We're gonna change that date. So remember, I'll see you back here Tuesdays. It's gonna be around the late morning, afternoon times that I'm gonna release the video. So anyways, Talk to you later. Okay, bye.